Welcome to another Class 750 tutorial. Today we will learn some basic banking operations.
Start by inserting the reverser and setting it to the forward position. There are a few audible signals used for banking operations in Czechia. These can either be honks of the horn or blasts on the whistle. The most important is 3 short signals which tell the banking locomotives to stop applying any power. Another way to tell the banking engine to stop applying power is to use one short signal. For simulation purposes, short signal is any audible signal shorter than half a second. There are 2 ways how to tell the banking engines how to apply power. First one is 1 long and 1 short signals, which tells the engines to apply half power. Second is 1 long and 2 short signals, which tells the engines to apply maximum available power. The banking engines know about track speed restrictions, so in most cases, you shouldn't have to worry about them pushing the train to greater speeds than allowed. However, it is good practice to tell them to stop applying power before you start to brake. Don't worry if you get any of the signals wrong. You can just wait a few seconds and then try that signal again. Now tell the engines to apply full power, 1 long and 2 short signals. You can use both horns and the whistle. Do not apply any power yourself yet, so you can see their effect. either one short or three short signals before braking. Good job! You have learned some new things today.